Bonjour and welcome to Learn French with Nat. So in this video, we're going to go over how to introduce yourself to somebody you just met and how to introduce somebody that you're with. All right, stick around. Salut and welcome to Learn French with Nat. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Nat and I love to teach you some French, whether it's grammar, vocabulary, whatever you need to learn. So make sure to subscribe because I post 2 new videos a week, all right? Let's get into the lesson. So if you're just meeting somebody, you would say bonjour. Bonjour means hi. And you could say your name. So you could say je m'appelle Nat. Je m'appelle Nat. My name is Nat. And if you want to say nice to meet you, you would say enchanté. Enchanté. Bonjour, je m'appelle Nat. Enchanté. And then you can ask them what their name is. So you could say, in an informal way, with somebody that you didn't really need to be polite with, you could say, comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? If you needed to be more polite in this situation, you need to replace the tu with a vous. So in this case, you would say, comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Okay? So, bonjour, je m'appelle Nat. Enchanté. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment tu t'appelles? Okay? You good up to here? All right, let's keep going. So if you wanted to introduce somebody that you're standing with, whether it's your brother or your girlfriend or your boyfriend, you would say, je te présente. Je te présente. That's the informal way of saying it, okay? Je te présente. That means I'd like to introduce you to. Notice here I say présente. We use the verb présenter in French. Instead, it's not introduire, okay? A lot of English speakers make this mistake. To say introduce in French, we use the verb présenter, okay? So you would say, je te présente mon frère. I'd like to introduce you to you, my brother. If you needed to be more polite, more formal, you would say, je vous présente mon frère. Je vous présente mon frère. Il s'appelle, his name is, Bob. Il s'appelle Bob. If I was talking about my sister, I would say, elle s'appelle Charlotte. Elle s'appelle Charlotte. Not sure why I used such a long name there, but anyways, elle s'appelle Charlotte. Okay? So let's go over the whole sequence again, one more time. Bonjour, je m'appelle Nat. Enchanté. Comment tu t'appelles? Or, comment vous appelez-vous? Je te présente, or je vous présente, mon frère. Il s'appelle Bob. Je te présente, or je vous présente, ma sœur. Elle s'appelle Charlotte. Not too bad? Just listen to the video a few times and you'll get the hang of it, okay? Now don't forget to check the show notes below because I'm going to include a free download for you so you can practice these sentences, okay? Sometimes it helps to read it and to also hear it. So that may help you remember a little bit, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. I post 2 new videos a week. Now, la question de la journée, the question of the day. J'aimerais que tu te présentes en bas. Écris ton nom en bas. J'aimerais te dire salut. Why don't you introduce yourself down below? Write your name down because I'd love to say hi. All right? I'll see you in the next video. Merci les amis.